What's up guys, in this video we're breaking down and checking out the 5 best trash can for home, kitchen and bathroom. I've made this list based on trash can performance, quality, customer review, price and more. I've included options for every type of consumer. So whether you're looking for a trash can, we'll have the trash can for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. Also, make sure you subscribe to stay up to date with the latest video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5, Hanging Trash Bin for Kitchen. Wall-mounted trash bin for kitchen's cabinet door with lid, perfect for small to medium-size kitchens, holds up to 2 gallons of trash, includes garbage cans and counter bins, easy to clean, made from heavy-duty plastic. 5 benefits of a wall-mounted garbage bin for kitchens. Keeps your kitchen looking neat and tidy. Allows you to easily dispose of your garbage. Makes it easy to keep your countertops clean. Easily unloads when needed. Can be mounted on any door in your kitchen. Number 4, Hanging Waste Bins. Ideal for use in the kitchen, bathroom, or other small spaces. A hanging waste bin that can easily be mounted on the wall. The lid is included so you can easily take care of your garbage and recycling. Made from durable and sturdy plastic so it will last for years. You can choose to have it delivered directly to your door or have it picked up from a nearby store. Number 3, Smart Sensor Garbage Bin. Introducing the Smart Sensor Garbage Bin. This garbage bin is perfect for any kitchen, bathroom, or toilet. It features a tightness of 10 liter and a large capacity of 15 liter. The bin also has an IPX5 grade waterproofness that will protect your belongings from any spills or leaks. And with a long battery life, you'll be able to enjoy this trash can for years to come. So don't wait any longer, get your Smart Sensor Garbage Bin today. Number 2, Joybos Smart Sensor Trash Can. With Joybos Smart Sensor Trash Can, you have a small volume large capacity waste bin that is both waterproof and has 2 opening methods, manual or by infrared induction. No more struggling to open your waste bin with one hand. Plus, the compact design means it fits easily in any bathroom. Keep your bathroom clean and organized with Joybos Smart Sensor Trash Can. Number 1, Automatic Drawstring Packing Trash Can. The Trash Can Automatic Drawstring Packing Household Kitchen Bathroom Waste Storage Bucket is the perfect solution for everyday household needs. This 15-liter waste storage bucket features an automatic drawstring closure that makes it easy to pack your garbage, and a durable plastic construction ensures years of use. The convenient side handle makes it easy to carry, and the included lid makes it easy to keep your trash clean and tidy.